Same with me. People don't accept me because I go too far. I must try to please them. Am I seeking your votes that I should try to please you? I have to tell you the truth whether you like it or not. I want you to accept it because that's what I am here for. I am here for that you accept the truth and get it. I'll do my level best. I can make food for you. I can give you good food to you. I can give you presents. I can do whatever a mother can do for her children. But when it doesn't work out, she has to shout sometimes. She has to say things clearly because you have to get it. Now you cannot force it on people. This is the biggest problem is. You cannot force self-realization onto people. You cannot do it by force. Say if the supposing Russians tell me, they are very much interested to know about Sahaja Yoga, no doubt. But if they tell me that to come to our government and give them realization, I cannot. I cannot do it. You have to be free people. When you are free, then you are abundant. See, the wages of freedom we are paying. Nobody is free in New York if you go. I have to take out all these ornaments which I am supposed to wear because of my family. I have to go there without a purse. I have to tie up my purse inside here, stitch something, otherwise they'll rob it. Nothing is safe. With freedom, this is no freedom. This is absolutely unleashed abandonment of the brutal self within us. So whether you go to Russia or to here, Sahaja Yoga is in a problem. Whether you go to the left or to the right. I just don't understand where will it prosper. Where freedom is used with wisdom, with respect. If you cannot respect the freedom of others, you do not have the freedom at all. You have never known the freedom. You have never enjoyed the freedom. So the freedom of human beings has to be respected. And when this freedom is respected, then only you can get your realization. And then only you can enter into higher freedom, into complete liberty that Blake has described. There are seekers, so many seekers in this country. And so many are lost. So many are lost. There have been people who are saved by Sahaja Yoga, who have been taking drugs overnight. They gave up. Overnight. How? It's a mechanism. They didn't know God has built that. That power of the spirit, when it enlightens you, you just become so powerful, you give up. But beforehand, if I say, don't have this and don't have that, you cannot do it. You do not have that power of the spirit. Most of the incarnations who came before Christ didn't realize this